Welcome to this tutorial on creating your property portfolio on Tour Matrix Bridge. As your account has been created as a hospitality firm, you need to first provide your business details. Please note that the fields marked with a star are mandatory. You will need to enter the name of your hospitality firm, postal address, postal or PIN code, and website if available. Select your legal status from the drop-down and enter your firm's PAN card. For proprietorship firms, enter the PAN card details of the owner. If available, enter your GST registration number. Next, fill in the name of your bank, account name, account number, and IFSC code. Once you have entered all the data, click the Save button. If all the data has been entered correctly, the system will show a message saying, Hospitality profile updated successfully. You shall now be navigated to the Create Property screen. Please note, as the account owner, you can also add another user by clicking on the User tab in the side menu. To create your property's profile, click on the Proceed button. You'll be taken to the Basic Details screen, where you'll need to enter the name of your property. Select the property type and rating from the drop-down, and provide your property's website if available. It's important to upload a clear profile picture and logo, as they will be displayed to tour operators on the search screen and in all communications with them. In the About the Property section, provide a small write-up about your property, highlighting its location and any nearby attractions or points of interest, as well as amenities and services that guests can expect to enjoy during their stay, such as free Wi-Fi, breakfast, a fitness center, or a pool. Details entered here will be visible to tour operators when they search for your property. Once you've filled in the basic details, click on the Save button. A green tick will appear next to the basic details, and you'll be taken to the Address and Location tab. Select your property's location and destination from the drop-down and enter the postal address and PIN code. Type in the locality where your property is situated in the destination. For instance, if your property's destination is Delhi, the locality may be Karol Bagh. Once you've filled in the required details, click on the Save button. A green tick will appear next to the Address and Location tab, indicating that you have successfully saved the details. It's time to move on to the Legal and Tax tab. Select the legal status of your property from the drop-down and enter your property's PAN card number. If the property is owned by an individual, enter the PAN card details of the owner. If available, enter the business license number issued by a competent authority authorizing your property to carry out accommodation business. Similarly, if you have a GST registration number for your property, please enter it here. Next, fill in the name of your bank, account name, account number, and IFSC code. Please note that the bank details you enter here will be displayed to tour operators who may use them to make payments against bookings. To ensure smooth transactions, we strongly recommend that you upload copies of your PAN card, business license, and GST registration certificates. Please make sure that the size of each supporting document does not exceed 2 MB. Once you've filled in all the required details, click on the Save button. A green tick will appear next to the Legal and Tax tab, indicating that you have successfully saved your property's legal and tax information. You'll now be navigated to the Contact Details tab, where you can provide your property's contact information. When you're setting up your property profile, it's important to ensure that your contact details are up to date. In the Contact tab, you'll need to enter the phone numbers and email addresses of your sales, reservation, front office, and account staff. If the mobile numbers are WhatsApp enabled, make sure to click on the checkbox. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, simply click on the Save button. Next, you'll be directed to the Terms and Conditions tab. You'll need to confirm that you have read and agreed to the Terms and Conditions and Privacy Policy of Tour Matrix Bridge. You can access the document by clicking on these links. To proceed, simply tick the checkbox and click on the Save button. Congratulations! You've now successfully entered your property's basic details. You'll be navigated to the property listing page. You will notice a message showing the property status as incomplete. Before you proceed, we recommend you watch the video, which provides you with all the information you need to complete your property's profile. Thanks for watching.